Myself Kaushal, I am representing my company Global Asia Journey. We are DMC for Thailand. We cater leisure market as well as the MICE, and we are also operating from Pan India. People from Pan India, mainly B2B market. We are catering basically B2B market. So travel agent from around India connected with us. We are providing them like airport to airport service. We are providing hotels stay, accommodation, sightseeing, activities, and the travel agent are coming to us and getting the service. And we are very much service oriented people. We are very much passion driven company for Thailand, and we are catering good amount of travel agent from India. We have our expansion is also in Sri Lanka, Oman, and also catering Dubai market. So our USP is service, not in terms of only rate, and we are catering full Thailand. We have not limited ourselves to Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, Krabi. We are also into Koh Samui, Koh Chang, Koh Kud, Khao Lak, Koh Lanta, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai. So these are the destinations. Thailand is beyond many things. Thailand you can have a wellness also. Thailand you can have a shopping also. Thailand is famous for nightlife also. Thailand is famous for beaches also. So Thailand has a huge potential for everyone. And for India, within since 4 to 5 years, Thailand is going to be hub for weddings. Many weddings I have conducted, given the logistic support in Hua Hin, Khao Lak, Koh Lanta. We have attended many, given support for Indian wedding, and we are also into MICE movement. We have catered company like Scott Tractors, BMW, but all the groups from the travel agent. We never do direct customer. We deal with travel agent, and whatever the business we get from them, we cater that. So these are the bit all about my company. And from COVID time, we have started Char Dham Yatra by helicopter. We are providing 2 Dham same day return, 4 Dham 5 nights 6 day in exclusive pricing, and everywhere our service speaks. So these are the small things about my company. We have a packages like 4 nights 5 day for Bangkok, Pattaya. Pattaya one can go have a Coral Island tour. They have a good nightlife in Pattaya. When coming to Bangkok, they can do the Bangkok city tour. There are many other activities like safari and marine park, cruise dinner in Bangkok. They can go to Mahanakhon skywalk. They have a skywalk feeling in Bangkok itself. Then coming to other destinations like Phuket, Krabi, one can go and stay 2 to 3 nights in Phuket and 2 to 3 nights in Krabi. So in Phuket, one can go for Phi Phi Island tour, James Bond Island tour. There is also like sunset dinner cruise for the couple. If somebody is going, they can go have exotic island tour by hype boat. They can also in the evening they can do Fantasia show with dinner or without dinner, depends on the customer. They can go to Krabi on the bed. They can do kayaking. If like no couple can do kayaking. When you are going to Krabi, they can do Krabi 4 island tour. They can also do sunset tour. So there are many things to do in Thailand. And when you are going for other destination like Samui, our customer can have a feeling of full moon party in Koh Phangan. They can go and stay there, have experience full moon party. So these are the things, many things to do in Thailand. Many water activities in Thailand. One can do like a snorkeling, a scuba diving, parasailing, and a bit more. See, customer can contact the normal travel agent, and travel agent can contact people like us, because we are doing B2B market. We do not do B2C. So it's like a chain. Customer to travel agent to people like us. We project ourselves as a Thailand supplier and Thailand DMC. DMC means Destination Management Company. We are managing your everything in Thailand.